Hello there, my name's Daniel Gillette. I have a pair of waders that I would like to do some maintenance on. I have a pair of Simms Guide G3 waders that I've had, I think about 6 or 7 years. They've served me very well, but what I do each year, I go through with rubbing alcohol. I put it in a little water bottle. Alright. And I spray down the waders. And I spray down the waders to find any kind of pinholes, and we'll go through that here in a minute. And then I seal the pinholes with Aquaseal. It's pretty much the only product to use on Simms waders to fix any kind of pinholes or holes that you may have. And what you do is real simply take waders, take your alcohol, and douse it down. It'll take maybe like a whole bottle of alcohol to wet it down. And what you're looking for is any kind of dark spot in the waders. And I've gone through these already, and I haven't found any kind of dark spots, but this is the process that you'd want to go through, is wet them down, and you'll see a dark spot. And you'd want to reverse the waders, make a little pinhole in the Aquaseal, and smear on a little dab on it and allow it to seal, to dry, and that'll seal the pinhole. I do have some old pinholes. You see right here, there was a pinhole. The Aquaseal's been put on and dried. This is maybe 4 years ago. I haven't had any pinholes since actually like the year after I bought it. That's the first year I bought them. And ever since, I guess I've taken better care of them and haven't had any issues with holes. But roughly like where my wading belt would be, maybe I nicked it with the hook or something. The next step after sealing up and checking with alcohol would be to wash them. And simply enough, on the instructions on the waders, it says hand wash and tub using cold water or powder detergent. I'm not going to hand wash, I'm just going to throw it in my washer. I have a nice top load that works pretty well. And I'm just going to use powder detergent. I'm going to go throw this in the wash, and then I will work on the waders with the Revivex. Okay, I'm going to put it on delicates. Tap cold, low spin, and should be good to go. Alright, so now the next part here, they have been washed, now it's still wet, and I will take the Revivex and blow dry it on. One thing to focus on when doing this is not to blow dry on the seams overly. That's where it keeps it waterproof on the backside. You don't want these seams, tapes to come apart. So just blow dry it, getting the Revivex to soak in. Okay, my spray bottle didn't work, so I put it in the bottle that does.